Good morning, class. We are going to be reviewing fractions again today, and we're reviewing adding and subtracting decimals, and some of them have labels, and you'll see that some of them are also in the form of money. Before we get started, you can go ahead and go down to stretch your thinking, and you can put an X to stretch your thinking. Numbers 1 through 4, the directions say write the mixed number as a fraction. And when you have a mixed number that you're writing as a fraction, you need to remember that you're writing that as an improper fraction. Meaning, once you write that mixed number as a fraction, the numerator is going to be larger than the denominator. So let's go ahead and do one for practice together. I know you know how to do this and you've been doing it for a while, but we'll go ahead and do a couple for review. Okay, and in order to write a mixed number as a fraction, the first thing you do is take the denominator and you multiply it by the whole number. After you've done that, you then add it to the numerator. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take 5 times 1, which is equal to 5, and you're going to add 3, which is equal to 8. So you're going to have 8, and then your denominator stays the same, and it's a 5, so 8/5. So number 1 is going to be 8/5. Let's go ahead and do another one together. We can look at number 4. Let's look at number 4. 4 and 4/7. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the denominator. We're going to multiply it by the whole number. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. We're going to take that 28 then and add our 4. 28 plus 4 is equal to 32, and our denominator stays the same. So we have 32/7. So number 4 is going to be 32/7. You can go ahead and complete 2, 3, 5, and 6 on your own. We're going to look now at, let's look at number 7, because these ones, when you don't have a decimal point in them, oftentimes confuse kids a little bit. But on number 7, we have 6, and from 6 we are subtracting 4 and 1/10, or 4.1. Okay, so anytime we have a whole number, we know that the decimal comes immediately to the right of the whole number. So 6 is really 6.0, and it really could be 6.0000, and it could keep on going for as long as we wanted, right? So 6.0 minus 4.1. Now we can see we can't take 1 away from 0, so we're going to have to borrow. 6 becomes a 5, and the 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Bring your decimal point down, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So your answer here is 1 9/10, or 1.9. Numbers 10 and 11, you have a cent sign, and when you have anything that's written as cents, let's say number 10, we have 44 cents. To write 44 cents as a decimal, it's just 0.44, or 44 hundredths. And so we have 44 hundredths plus $4.87, or $4.87 hundredths, and you're going to just add those together. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. 4 is equal to 12, plus 1 more is equal to 13. Put down your 3, carry your 1, bring down your decimal point. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then we need to add our dollar sign. $5.31. $5.31 is your answer for number 10. And when you see the cent sign even here, like in number 11, you have 32 cents and 66 cents. Remember, you just take, just like we did here with the 44 cents, the decimal just goes right in front of your first number. Okay, you have one story problem, and it says, when Erin got her puppy, Cuddles, he weighed 788.52, or 788 52 grams. He now weighs 2,316.6 grams, or 2,313 6/10 grams more than he did when Erin first brought him home. How much does Cuddles weigh now? What you're going to have to do there is you're going to have to add those two numbers together. And in order to add them together, the most important thing is to make sure you're lining up those decimal points. We have 2,313 6/10, and we're adding that to his original weight, which was 788 52 grams. Okay, so now you have to add, and we don't even have to do anything. You can bring down your decimal first if you'd like. 2 plus nothing is equal to 2. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. Plus 3 is equal to 10, plus 1 more is equal to 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the puppy now weighs 3,102 and 12/100 grams. And you'd go ahead and write that on the line. And please don't forget your label is grams. All right. You are going to go ahead and finish numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 on your own. When you're finished, make sure you take a picture of your work, attach it to the assignment, and upload it in Teams, and turn the assignment in. Thank you.